Alright, problem in Tahiti, part 2. Choke between the two terminals. It's exactly 10 ohms. Nothing going to ground. Make sure nothing goes to ground. On your output wires, between the red one and the white one, we have 1.7 to 1.8 ohms. You're going to have the same thing between the brown and the blue. You do have to separate them to get them to measure correctly. So separate those wires. Your voltage regulator, there are no readings, there are no measurements for them, what is going on. The one measurement I do want to give you is the one between F1 and F2. And we'll do that with the resistor, with the windings disconnected. I'm going to put the phone down for just a second. Maybe I can put you over here. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay. It says like 230 something. Let's see what happens when you hook these back up. Goes down to 2.8. That's what's on the brushes. And let's do that same thing again. We'll disconnect the regulator. Okay. Make sure that it's not touching. With the rectifier disconnected on this thing, and we'll disconnect this again too, so it's all disconnected. We have 110 ohms on F1, F2. We'll pull the other side off too, just in case. So now the only thing that's on the brushes is that resistance. So the rotor by itself, with nothing hooked up to it, is 164, 165 ohms. That is just hooked up to the two brushes and nothing else hooked up to it at all. So it's just that. The gold resistor, it says 390 ohm. I measured it. It is 388 point something. That's that 5% that's on there. So those are really the only measurements I can get you. I have no other clue on what to do other than I agree with you. Send it back. That's all you can do. The shipping is going to be astronomical. But I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss too. Never had this much problems with a machine that's really that simple. Wish I was there. So anyway, we're looking at 364, 365 ohms on the rotor with the brushes connected. 10 ohms on the choke. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to tell you. Good luck, my friend.